Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present about our experiment that we conducted, which is Arduino flame sensor. Okay, for my part, I will explain a little about introduction. Firstly, Arduino is an open source electronics prototype platform based on flexible, easy to use hardware and software. In simple words, Arduino is a small microcontroller board with a USB plug to connect to computer and a number of connection sockets that can be wired up to external electronics. Flame sensor module has prototype to detect the light and op-amp to control the sensitivity. It is used to detect fire and provide high signal upon the detection.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Muslim. My metric number is DD170045. Today I want to go to my part that is a real life. Actually, a flame sensor detector is very important in a emergency situation where it's a detect the early flame before it is more terrible, and a way before we initiate various action. The main application actually the flame sensor is at the place where there is a more people in the same time, or a main control system which is control the safety. Actually, there are several places where the flame sensor locate. The first place is a home security system. The second one is a school or college. The third one is a industry. The fourth one shopping mall, and the last one is a R&D. Okay, we go to the objective. Actually, objective is the aim or a purpose, that is why we doing this project, and there are several objective that includes in this project. The first one is to study the working principle of flame sensor using Arduino. The second one is to study the real applications of flame sensor using Arduino, and the last one is to construct and implement Arduino system in this project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shazwan. I'm from section 11. I want to present about the scope and procedure. So for this experiment, these are based on the Arduino Uno and flame detector. Arduino Uno is an open source electronic platform on microcontroller board, and it has software that been used to program it. Flame detector is a sensor designed to detect and respond to the presence of a flame or fire that will allow flame detection. This system is best suited for small indoor environments such as office, storeroom, house, and industrial place. So we move to the procedure. For the procedure, firstly we need to do is we have to connect positive power pin, which is VCC of the sensor, to 5 pin on the Arduino. Second, connect the ground pin to GND pin on the Arduino. Next is connect analog output AO to any analog or digital pin on the Arduino. Next is connect positive leg of LED, which is the longer leg, to the pin 13 on the Arduino. Fifth is connect negative LED, the shorter leg, to ground pin on the Arduino. Six is connect fix and connect the buzzer on the breadboard. 7. Connect longer buzzer leg to pin 11 or any other pin on the Arduino. And lastly is connect shorter buzzer leg to ground pin on the Arduino. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon to our lecturer. So today I will explain about the material that we use to complete our Arduino heat sensor project. So there are 7 material that we use. So first is Arduino and its adapter. Second, few jumper wire. Third, fire sensor. Fourth, LED. The fifth item is breadboard. Sixth, buzzer, and lastly, lighter. That's all. Thank you.
For discussion, flame sensor module has photodiode to detect the light and op amp to control the sensitivity. It used to detect fire and provide high signal upon the detection. Arduino read the signal and provide alert by turning on buzzer and LED. Flame sensor used here is an IR-based flame sensor. A flame detector is a sensor designed to detect and respond to the presence of a flame or fire. Response to a detect flame depend on the installation, but can include sounding an alarm, deactivating a fuel line, and activating a fire suppress system. The flame sensor detects the presence of a fire and flame based on infrared wavelength emitted by the flame. It gives one logic output if flame is detected. Otherwise, it gives 0 as output. Arduino Uno check the logic level on the output pin and the sensor and perform future tasks such as activating the buzzer and LED, sending an alarm message.
Okay, lastly I will explain a little bit about the conclusion. In conclusion, the experiment of Arduino fire sensor was designed such that the heat from the fire can be detected from an approximate area by the sensor to trigger the alarm and the buzzer to create some noise. The coding of the Arduino fire sensor and the connection of the Arduino circuit must be correct in order to get the successful result. Thus, the experiment was successful, designed and tested by our group. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.